A for apple.
B for bird.
C for cat. D for dolphin.
E for earth.
F for frog.
G for giraffe.
H for heart.
I for ice cream.
J for juice.
K for key.
L for leaf. M for mouse.
N for notebook.
O for owl.
P for pig.
Q for queen.
R for ring.
S for sun.
T for tray. U for umbrella.
V for violin.
W for watermelon. X for xylophone.
Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Good progress.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.